Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you are welcome to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, so in this video we are going to be looking at a strategy called the pairs trading strategy. Okay, so if you are looking to enhance your trading skills, then you are in the right place. Okay, the Forex Geek channel is for you. All right. Moreover, if you are looking to navigate the complexities of the forex market with confidence, then you are in the right channel. Okay. Now, pairs trading is an innovative approach that allows you to balance your portfolio while capitalizing on the movement of correlated currency pairs. One thing for you to note with pairs trading is correlated currency pairs. All right. Now, by using this strategy, you can mitigate risks and create more stable trading opportunities. So now let us look at the core principles of pairs trading. Okay. First, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right pairs. Okay. Not all currency pairs are created equal, and understanding their relationships is key. So you might want to look for pairs that have a strong historical correlation as they tend to move together. All right. This will allow you to predict price movements more accurately. One effective way to identify potential pairs is by analyzing historical data. Okay. Look for patterns in price movements over time. You want to see how these pairs have reacted to market events and economic indicators. This analysis will help you make informed decisions. Okay. Now, two pairs that sometimes are seen to correlate are the GBP USD and the Euro USD. You're gonna see that there are some similarities in their price movements. It's not like they move exactly the same way, but we can see some similarities. Can you see? There are some similarities in their price movements. Okay, let me just go to a higher time frame and let me zoom out a bit, and let me do same for this. Go to the weekly time frame and zoom out a bit. Okay, so we can see that in as much as it's not like 100% the same price movements, but we can see some similarities between them. Okay, so when you are using the pairs trading strategy, it's important that you consider correlated currency pairs. All right. And one effective way to identify potential pairs is by analyzing their historical data. All right, and look for similarities in their patterns of price movements over time. Okay. Now let's discuss some tools that can assist you in executing your trades with confidence and precision. Utilizing trading platforms that offer real-time data and advanced charting tools can give you a significant advantage. All right. So tools like the moving averages, Bollinger Bands, let's just add on some of these indicators to the chart. Okay, we have the moving averages here. I just added the 50 EMA. We have the Bollinger Bands, and we have the RSI. So this is the MetaTrader 4 platform, and these indicators they can actually help you to analyze trends and make strategic decisions. Yeah, you can use any other indicator of your choice, just to do your analysis, basically, your technical analysis. All right. Now let's talk about risk management. Okay, risk management techniques that are essential for any trader looking to incorporate pairs trading into their arsenal. Now, setting stop loss orders is crucial. Okay, this ensures that you minimize potential losses and protect your capital. So always define your risk before entering a trade. For example, let's say we have a signal and we want to enter a trade. Perhaps we have a buy signal here. As we can see, we have a buy signal. So we enter a buy trade. It's important that we always set stop losses. Okay, it's good to set stop losses because it's going to limit your losses, right? In case the market goes against you. Okay, profit is not guaranteed, so you should try as much as possible to preserve your capital. So we can set stop loss below the swing low. Okay, And take profit can just be at the nearest resistance zone. That is for a buy trade. For a sell trade, it can be at the nearest support zone. Stop loss can be at above the swing high. On the other hand, your indicators can also give you exit signals. For example, the RSI being in the overbought and pointing downwards, or price cutting below the middle band of the Bollinger Bands and touching the lower bands, or price dropping below the moving averages. Those are exit signals for your buy trades. Okay. So now here's a quick checklist for effective risk management. 1, determine your risk tolerance, very important. 2, set stop loss and take profit levels. 3, diversify your trades across different pairs. All right, it's important to do that. And 4, continuously monitor your trades and adjust as necessary. Okay, so by following these guidelines, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges of the forex market. Pairs trading is a powerful tool that, when applied correctly, can enhance your trading experience and boost your overall confidence. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button for more informative videos aimed at elevating your trading skills. We have plenty of exciting content lined up just for you. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Until next time.